Have you ever thought to yourself, maybe you should quit tearing up the grass so much? Or did you ever think you should be a little more gentle with your stuff? Maybe get one of those fancy fishing shirts with a collar. Or you could buy a real slick bass boat with all that sparkly paint like the pros have. Or what about only fish for trout? Forget bass even exist. Did you ever think about that? Maybe you could get one of those electric chainsaws because they're quieter. You could go buy one of those fancy fire pits instead of the old barrel. You ever thought about eating more vegetables? Maybe eating a little less meat? Yeah, that's what I thought. Neither have we. Ugly Stik. Sensitive, so you don't have to be.
This is the MP600, proven on the battlefield. It's the core member of the one-handed opening series of Gerber multi-tools relied on by the US military. Built of hardy stainless steel, the MP600 opens smoothly with one hand, and its long pliers function precisely to grab and manipulate small objects in equally small spaces. It has a wired cutter and crimper, as well as built-in rulers that run along the handles. Flip open the handles to access a serrated blade, fine edge blade, Phillips driver, 3 separate sizes of flatheads, full-size file, lanyard ring, and can and bottle opener. Each of the components locks safely in place for heavy use. As with all of our military products, it's proudly built in Portland, Oregon. A true American icon. This is the MP600.
Wild River by CLC is excited to introduce the Multi-Tackle Large Backpack. This fishing tackle bag is designed with the sportsman in mind and is the ultimate solution for your tackle storage needs. This backpack has large adjustable padded shoulder straps along with a sternum strap that allows for all-day comfort, while the bottom of the bag has base pads to reduce wear and keep your bag dry. The bottom cover folds down to provide a convenient work surface. The lower tray compartment fits up to 4 3600 style trays. The large upper storage area can fit up to 6 3500 style trays and allows for storage for all your extra gear. The clear internal pocket helps keep your license and maps visible but dry. And if the main compartments aren't enough, there are multiple side pockets for even more storage. With this bag, you will be sure to have room for all your gear you want by your side. And at the end of the day, when you're done fishing, you can fold down the center divider and convert your backpack into a hiking, hunting, and camping backpack. This backpack is truly made for the outdoorsman wherever you go.